This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is a super CRV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a warm river interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is built on a Ford F550 X4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.